Hi, my name is Curtis Harrell. I'm a financial advisor here with Advantage Retirement Group, and today I'm going to be reviewing a few different alternative products that we use for our clients. Now, alternative products can be a few different things. It can be real estate, it can be private equity. We use two in particular. One would be called the structured note. Now, the structured note is written through a few different financial institutions, for example, like a Bank of America or a Chase, and what it does is it generates monthly income to you. Now, right now, the rates are about 9% or so, and that's paid out to you monthly. And how they operate is they're tied to the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ index, meaning that as long as the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ don't fall more than 30% from the day that you purchase the structured note, it's going to keep paying that monthly income to you. And it's about a year commitment. We write with the banks that they can't call them prior to a year, but at that year mark, they do have the right to basically say, hi, client, here's your money back, here's your last interest rate payment, and then we can look to maybe invest in another structured note or another alternative at the time. Now, the new alternative that we have that we're very excited about is called a private tender offer. And this is for accredited investors, meaning you at least have to have $1 million of liquid net worth or $250,000 or so in income. Now, this product's a little different than the note, where it's still going to be paying that monthly income. This one's going to be paying about 15%, but it's tied to really the S&P 500, where we're going to own about a basket of 100 stocks. We're selling call options on those stocks to get that income to you. And then to protect on the downside, we're buying a put option. Simply put, it's a way to get income for you at a safe rate. And again, it's about 15%, and this is a 2-year product that we use. So these are the two main alternatives that we're using for our clients right now, so that you don't have to invest a lot of principal to get a high amount of income.